Today I'm going to show you how to add page numbers to your documents in OpenOffice Writer. We'll get started by opening a blank OpenOffice Writer document. I'm going to go to my browser, go to Lorem Ipsum, and I'm going to copy some text here. Go back to my document, and I'm going to paste this a number of times. And this gives me, let's do 3 pages. There. So I have 3 pages of text. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. If you want the page number on top, we're going to go ahead and insert a header. And then once the header is inserted, we go up here to insert a field and do page number. And then I don't want it capitalized, so I'm going to go back to the O, delete the O. There. And now I want to insert another field. This is in case you want to also show the page count. You can insert the page count field right here. Now, make sure I'm still in the header. Click the center button, and that should be viewed on every page. If you want to put it on the bottom, go ahead and remove the header and insert a footer. And the same thing, insert field, page number. Get rid of my capital O. Insert field, page count. And then make sure I'm still in the footer here, and then center the text with that button. And that should be viewable on every page. And that's how you add page numbers to your pages in your document. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Also, make sure you check out the website, www.the-nerdcave.com, and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.